Have you missed theater as much as I have? Well, you do not have to wait any longer because musical theater is back in Southern California at Moonlight Stage Productions in Vista. They're kicking off their 40th anniversary season with the musical Once on This Island. I really think this is a perfect musical to kick off a season, especially in the climate that we're in. The past year that we've gone through, it really is the perfect musical of community coming together. And Steve Glaudini, who's the artistic director there at Moonlight, has really picked a season of shows that all kind of center and focus around that community and community coming together. So a great season ahead. Now, on Once on This Island, it is an amazing, amazing show. I'm going to go to detail in just a second, but headline, you got to see it. It is a must-see show. Now, Moonlight Stage Productions is believed to be the first professional theater in Southern California to come back and perform after the state of California has officially opened up. Based on the 1985 novel, My Love, or The Peasant Girl, the story of Once on This Island really focuses on that societal clashes of the historic division between the islanders and members of the peasant class. They're being exploited by four gods that rule their island. Now, Brooke Henderson, who plays Timon, shines in this role. There's really a deep level of honesty in the way that she plays this character and the vulnerability that she's bringing to it. And the song that she sings, Waiting for Live, it really, let me tell you, showcases her impressive vocals. And that emotion really was felt by the audience. You could just feel it as soon as that song was over. The audience just was like, wow, wow, wow. Now, one of the other big standouts on Once on This Island are the four gods. Edred Utomi, who plays one of the gods, has a powerhouse voice that really embodies the god of death. Now, Utomi is one of my favorite parts of this show. Also, Anise Richie, who plays another one of the gods. Guarantee you're going to fall in love with her as the show progresses. Now, in the song that she sings, The Human Heart, it's literally one of my top favorite songs in this musical. Richie, along with the rest of the company, delivers a very superb performance. There's many great performances, but I really love that one. One of the other characters in this musical, albeit it's not a living character, but I'm going to say it is a character in this show, is the projection. Now, Blake McCarty, who put together this projection, did an amazing job. So, like when it's really stormy, you have the storms on the screen. It also really helps in this musical. The projections help time pass by. Now, I don't traditionally love a lot of projection in musicals. I like practical effects and practical staging. But when you do it right, it really enhances a musical. And in this case, that projection has taken Once on This Island here at Moonlight to a whole other level. There were other parts of the production that stand out, such as the use of flashlights for car headlights added into the costume. Now, when we are talking about those costumes, let me just tell you, they're colorful, tropical, and it just makes you so happy. They definitely help to immerse you into this tropical island setting. And when combined with the music, it really delivers the energy to feel the whole hillside there at the theater in Vista. And you can't beat going out on a cool Southern California night in the outdoors, sitting and enjoying musical theater. We haven't got to do it in over a year, and so I'm so glad it's back. Theater's been really suffering during COVID-19, so any opportunity to get out there and help support the arts is an amazing thing. Moonlight presenting Once on This Island, running through July 3rd.